Hello to all my cute little friends. Welcome back to Fun with Painting. As you all know, Thanksgiving is almost now, only one day left. So everyone is busy in some last minute preparations. In today's video, we will learn to draw a cute piece of pie. More emphasizedly, we are going to draw the cute little Pecanna pie from the famous Shopkin series. We have started drawing with the body first. As you all know, the pie is almost a triangular shape. Then we are drawing here two little cute hands. Now draw the shoes. We are going to leave a small space between the two shoes to draw the tongue of the Shopkin. Now we are going to draw the eyes. As you all know, Shopkins do have very cute eyes with 3 eyelashes on each eye. Now let's draw the eyebrows. The nose will be a small half circle, and now we are drawing the teeth and the tongue of the Shopkin. Our body part of the pie is almost done. Now let's start adding the upper portion, that is the whipped cream portion of the pie. First I am drawing a scoop-like structure with 2 pieces of fruit inserted in the cream portion. Now I am trying to draw that some portion of the cream is dripping down on the pie. Then for the rest part of the cream, we will just draw some curved lines just in the pattern of small hills overlapping one another. Now I am adding some final creases on the scoop. Now with a fine liner, I am adding another layer in the eye. Now let's start coloring. First I am giving a pink outline to all the whipped cream portion. Then I am filling up the rest with a lighter shade of pink. Now the body of the pie will be a mixture of two colors, orange and yellow. Fill it up nice and clean. The layer outside the cornea will be light blue and the cornea will be black. And the small tongue hanging out of the mouth will be red. Now I am adding just some finishing lines. Shading it with a white marker. And look, our pecanna pie is almost ready to rock now. Bye for now, see you in my next video.